Hello. In this video, we're going to go over factoring by grouping. You'll notice in factoring by grouping, there's always going to be four terms. So when we're factoring trinomials and factoring, X method, there's only three terms. So in this situation, we have four terms and we're going to factor by grouping. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is underline the first two terms. The next thing we're going to do is underline the next two terms. At this point, what we're going to do is find the GCF with both of these underlined separately. So we're going to see that the GCF for number one in the first blue underlined mark, as we can tell, is 8r squared. We can tell that there's an r squared in both of them, and there's an 8 that is also in both of them, a factor of both of them. When we take out an 8r squared, we are basically dividing these numbers by that number now. If we take out an 8r squared, what is left? Just 1r. That's it. Now we move to the next number. When we take out 8 from 64, only 8 is left. We take out r squared from r squared, there's no more r. Next, we're going to have to see what we take out of the next one. Well, I noticed that there is not, it's like almost as perfectly simplified. There's no GCF except for the fact that I can take out that 1. And it will make things a little easier for us as we go. So we'll take out a 1 because there is 1 that multiplies to both r and 8. So we rewrite what is left after. Next, all we're going to do is take out that last factor. Both of these terms, these two terms, have a GCF. What is the GCF? R minus 8. So now that we have GCF'd the blue and the green, we can clearly see that they both have one full GCF. So we can do it one more time. And r minus 8 times 8r squared plus 1. And that is how you factor by grouping. Let's do one more. Let's underline the first two because those two look like they go together. Let's underline the next two. And let's go. So we take out the GCF of the red. We notice that within the coefficients, our GCF is 2. Within the variables, our GCF is x squared. When I pull out a 2x squared from 12x cubed, we get 6x. We pull out 2x squared from 2x squared, we get a 1. Next, we're going to pull out from negative 30x and minus 5, we're going to pull out, looks like, a minus 5. We write what's left, positive 6x, because we take out negative 5 from 30, we have a positive 6, x stays. Take out negative 5 from negative 5, we have a positive 1. And again, as you can see, we have perfectly matched up that other GCF that we need to finish off the problem. And we fully just rewrite it, 6 plus 1, 2x squared minus 5. That is it. That is how you factor by grouping. Nice and easy. If you have a specific problem you'd like me to cover, please just send me an email and I'll make a video accordingly. Hope everyone has a great day.